And we have adjusted the sound level on our speaker. Ooh, nice birthday song. Now let's get building. Let's load our battery pack. Negative against the spring, positive against the flat. And we will put a 6-snap wire on the top. We need to connect our current around like a circle, hence a circuit. Sounds very similar to circle. We'll put a 5 on the bottom and close these with the 2. And the slide switch that lets us open and close the circuit. But of course, we need our music box. Our integrated circuit is one that's open with a circuit inside, hence integrated circuit with that printed circuit. We must close this negative input to the negative terminal on the battery pack. And we labeled ours with a positive in the middle because it must reach the positive terminal on the battery. Now we want to be able to trigger this with our piezoelectric junction, our whistle chip. And what good is a component without an output to hear or see? So we're going to put our speaker here. And not to forget behind it, where it's kind of eclipsed by our view, a number 2 snap wire. And to make it quiet, we're going to use our R1 resistor, 100 ohms. This funny Greek letter omega is ohms. That's resistance. It lowers the amount of current, electricity that flows. Total number of electrons. And let's see it in action. Okay, let's hear it in action. And then, if we get a snap wire to trigger it with those 2 pieces of metal that when they flex, they give off a little bit of electrons to boop, trigger our song. So just boop, you can tap it. Sometimes clap close or blow on it. But what if we want it a little louder and we want less resistance? Our jumper cables. Now let's listen. Now, whoa, it's loud. Quiet, loud. Want to tap it on? Loud, quiet. So by modulating the amount of resistance, we can change the volume. And therefore, we have been able to control the current going to a speaker, to a resistor, or bypassing that resistor with our jumper cables. So I hope you have fun building and modifying. For an extra challenge, you might want to switch this with something like an LED. Actually, let's try it. Hi, LED. I could always modify this. And it's on. So have fun building, have fun creating, and go get your grown-up to print the free gift. Get their help with the printer. There's a new one each week that I put up. So keep an eye on it, and I will see you back here for more building with Dr. Drew soon. It's dr.drew, Dr. Drew. See you soon.